Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angel here. What it do? And today, you guys, I have another unboxing. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay. Alright, you guys. So I ordered a piece from Louis Vuitton and it came today. I want to say I ordered it Monday? Tuesday? Girl, I don't know. Last week sometime. So it finally came today. So let's unbox it together. Yeah, it wasn't even sealed down good. But as you can see, it's from Louis Vuitton. Here's my receipt. This is how it came. Okay, here is the box. Let's take the ribbon off. Alright, you guys, so let's open it. The item I got is the small key pouch. The key pouch small, whatever. Yay! When I went to the mall to buy my bum bag, I asked about this, and of course it hadn't came out yet. It was coming out in like a few days. So my CA was like, well, I'll let you know when we get it in store. So when I woke up the next morning, I looked and it was available, but it said my stores didn't have it, either one of them. So I ordered mine online. And then the next day I looked and they were in my store. So anyway, but here is the small key pouch. I must say that this does feel significantly thinner. You can tell. Okay. Here's the little key hook on here. Let's see where this one was made. This one is made in France. You can see. This is made in France. I hope it's focusing. But yeah, it's made in France. This does feel significantly thinner, y'all, than my other pieces. Now, I don't have the original clay. I bought it, but mine was damaged. This was years ago. And I just never replaced it. So it's like a little textile card. This little part that comes out. Maybe you can see it better there. Yeah. So this part comes out. It has like a little slip pocket right here. That's how it is on the inside. I like the size of this, y'all. I really, really, really like the size of this. Now, I do have two mini pochettes. I had the third one, but I sold the Damier Azur one. And for size reference, y'all see? Like, they're pretty much the same size. Oh, my goodness. It's just that the mini pochette is thicker. But, y'all, it's pretty much like, look at that. And I carry these, my mini pochettes, as handbags all the time. I just put a extra long strap on these, and I carry these as bags all the time. And you guys, for reference, for the toiletry 15, look, y'all. Oh my goodness. And I have the toiletry 19 as well, so. Here's size comparison. So you guys, I plan on using this pretty much as like a bigger wallet. So it can fit probably my card holder, a card holder. Let me see, I probably got one in my pocket. One of my card holders fits in there just fine. Alright y'all, so let's see what fits in here. So here is my 6-ring key holder. It does have one of my key fobs in here. So that will fit in there. One of my card holders at the moment is full of cards and things. Let's see, can I get both of these in here together? Those two together, they're not gonna fit. Okay. So maybe a slimmer card holder or just a few cards. And let's see, maybe a lip gloss. That ain't gonna fit either. Not with the key holder. So a lip gloss and my wallet. Let's put the wallet in first. Wait a minute, girl. Even that's not fitting. I don't know, sis. I don't know. So I guess if you just don't use a bulky card holder, or you use, well, this is not bulky, but it's full. So maybe if you just take a few cards and, or you could, and put in here, or you can just use this as a catch-all for other stuff. I do like it though. I do like it. Does it feel a little thin? It does. Like, it really, really does. But I like it. I like it. Now I got to see really like what I'm going to use it for. Because, I don't know. Like my mini pochette, I can put my card holder, my keys, and my lip gloss or something in there. And I'm fine. So, yeah. But I just want to show you all this. This is another birthday gift to me, from me. So, yeah. What do you all think of this? I went to the store to try to see the medium one. But the medium one, girl, it's all sold out everywhere. I think the medium would be really, really nice. So I'm considering getting the medium one as well, y'all. I don't know. We shall see. Okay. But alright, you guys, so that pretty much concludes this unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love y'all, and I will see you all in my next video.